guys, good morning. People, since it's currently 8:53, I've been up since.
Which ate some chips, drank my water, and took my ass right to bed like it was bedtime for real. Like, what the fuck? But, like I said, it's 4:15. I just woke up for real. Maybe like 5 minutes ago. I'm probably finna, head to school in a little bit. The time.
Are we all falling asleep at our desks this morning, or is it just me? Happy Monday.
The motor is fine, but what happened is, y'all, when we started renovations in the pool room, our pool is heated and it has to be filled up at all times. And